Getting started with ViaSocket is quick and easy. Simply visit the ViaSocket website, sign in using your Google account, and you will be directed to your workspace. Select your preferred workspace from here. Click on Create New Flow. Then select Airtable as the trigger and choose the event New Records Created. If you haven't connected Airtable yet, click on Add New Connection. Add all resources and grant the necessary permissions and click Done to complete the integration. After this, open your Airtable account and navigate to your workspace. Here in this table, create a new record by entering all the required details like lead name, contact information, company name, lead source, lead status, and many more. Also, if you wish, you can also skip the fields that you think are not necessary to be filled. Now, after filling all the details here, return to ViaSocket and select the same Airtable workspace and table where you created the new record. Test the trigger. Here are the responses. Now click on Create to proceed. Choose Sangam CRM as the action application. Select Create an opportunity as the action event. If you have already connected to Sangam CRM, simply select your existing connection. Otherwise, for a detailed guide on connecting Sangam CRM with ViaSocket, you can refer to the video linked in the information icon. Now start mapping the necessary fields such as opportunity name, sales stage, expected amount, product category. Here you can fill all the necessary or required fields. If the field is not required, you can also skip. Now, test the action to view the flow responses. See, these are my responses. And now, click on Create to finalize the flow. Configure the workflow. Now verify the new opportunity in Sangam CRM under the Opportunity section. You can see the new record that has been created is viewed on Sangam CRM. Again, after this, return to ViaSocket and publish your changes. With this setup, every new record created in Airtable will automatically be added as an opportunity in Sangam CRM. Thank you for watching.